What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh, I got something super exciting to tell you guys, but it does have to do with this, and it doesn't. Let's go downstairs. I told you guys I was gonna start doing some tutorials and stuff like that. That is still gonna happen, but some things have changed a little bit. So as you guys know, my living room, by the way, table, you guys haven't seen that probably, is, well, it's still a little bit of a mess. Kitchen is very messy right now. You don't need to see that. I just got approved for a loan, and the loan is for equipment. I'm starting a print business. I'm gonna start printing stickers, graphics, all sorts of things. So I'm buying a printer along with a bunch of other things to go along with printing. Now, something I thought that would be cool is taking you guys along for the journey. So there's a ton of stuff that I couldn't find information for, down to the power that these things take. And I'll get into detail on all the little things that are needed to be able to start a business like this, because I couldn't find a lot of them. I had to go to a whole bunch of different sources. So I said, hey, you know what? There are a few businesses that have YouTube channels, but I couldn't find all my information on them. And not to talk bad, but the quality wasn't as good as I was hoping for. That's not any bad thing about them. It's just, you know, I was looking to find a little bit more in depth about the things that I was looking for. If you are in the print business, you're gonna cringe a little bit as I go along, but hey, everybody starts somewhere. Something you may be thinking is like, where are you gonna put the print shop? Are you gonna get a shop and all these other things? A shop will happen, but this is gonna happen a lot sooner than that. So I'm gonna put it all in here. All in here. Now, there's a few things that I want to do. TV is gonna come down. I was thinking, oh, I want to leave it up, but I'm gonna actually put that somewhere else. Now, will it fit with all this stuff in here? No. Now, where am I gonna have a living room? Well, I don't really need one. I have a bedroom. I have a couch. I have a big bedroom. As you guys have seen, I have my desk up there. I had a couch up there before. So, I'm gonna put that couch, my table, upstairs. This table is actually gonna stay down here. This is gonna be the table I do my work on and everything like that. And then I might get a couple bar stools, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, dirty kitchen. Don't worry. I just literally brought a whole bunch of stuff in from the grocery store. But I had to tell you guys. I want to give a huge thank you to Marshall Chambers. I'll drop a link to their YouTube channel. Go ahead and check their stuff out. If you guys ever need a loan of any sort, he's the guy to go to. He definitely helped me out, and I don't want to babble on a whole bunch about all this, but in a recent video they talked about that I introduced them, which meant a lot to me, and I feel like in a cool way, Marshall has opened a door to me to the rest of my life. So Marshall, if you're watching this, which I have no idea if you do watch my videos, I really appreciate it, bud. It's been great spending time with you guys lately. It's been really great because they both were my roommates. It's kind of like brings back old memories, but this is gonna get transformed into a print shop. We'll get more into that as things go on, but I was literally approved today. Today is the 23rd of, February. So I wanted to just like take note of it and everything. And I applied for this on the 22nd, approved today. And I won't go into the details of how much it was, but I really wanted to say something about this so I could have the information for myself. But I do want to teach you guys some stuff. I want to teach you guys what it takes to do this, I will get in depth on how much these things cost at a later date once the stuff comes. I'm hoping to start ordering everything this weekend. The money should be in my account in the next day or two, and then I should have my card so I can start basically spending all this money. The great thing is I'll be printing, which will be like printing money in a sense, you know, like you're printing something, somebody's gonna give you money for it. It's like printing money. Anyways, I've talked enough. Let's pick up in the future. All right, so garage is a mess. As you can see, I have stuff everywhere. Just look at this. Look. This is horrible. I don't ever come down here because I have been just busy with other things. So I am going to get to work, get all this stuff organized, and I gotta take a load of stuff. A lot of this stuff has to go to storage. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. So instead of showing you me taking and organizing it piece by piece, let me do this. Not bad. It's not complete, but it is for sure 10 times better. Still need to get this organized. I need to get some stuff put in these, and then I have a box right there. And then I'll probably, for storage for the next month or two, put this up on here, but it'll be a little bit. Then I'm gonna get the bike ready to ride this spring finally. This needs to go back in the van. These are gonna be used for hose reels right here. That is the garage. Now I can pull these out and get the machines in. Only 3 hours later, not too bad. Hopefully they come fast. All right, hopefully I don't have any food in my teeth. I just literally ate. So let me just show you what's going on. Check it out. I went ahead and made this an office. It's back. If you've seen a video or so ago, maybe 2 videos ago, I moved all this stuff upstairs. Now it's back downstairs. It's obviously still a little bit of a mess. There's stuff in the corner. It's a little bit of a mess. This is all just a mess. But the reason why is because all this is just kind of shoved over here, and all this is kind of the way it is because, well, let me show you. I had a special delivery from US Cutter. Ooh, HP latex. Oh man. All this needs to go upstairs. This isn't even all of it. There's one more box. That won't be here till next week. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm not gonna bore you guys with getting all this stuff upstairs and unboxing it. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the cutter upstairs myself because I'm pretty sure I can slide this up the stairs pretty easily. Now this guy weighs 400 pounds and yeah, it's a bit heavier than I can handle solo. So let's get this stuff up there. Oh boy. There's the new plotter. Heck yeah. Box is already thrown downstairs. Printer will be next, but I'm gonna get this thing put together. It is 1:43. The guys should start showing up here around 5 o'clock. So I have a couple hours to get this together. Shouldn't take very long. Time to go get some power tools. All right, so plotter is set up, as you can see. It's really rad. It has these catch areas on the front and the rear. Still got obviously a lot of stuff to do. Hoping after I get the printer put together tonight, since I don't have any media whatsoever, I can run to IKEA and get a couple shelves. I need at least 2, maybe 3, but probably just 2. And then I bought some wheels to put one of them on, and it'll go right there. And as you can see, these are the 4 boxes that are inside the main printer box. So I'm gonna pull all this stuff out and get it all ready. And that over there is the stand. That weighed about 200 pounds. And I don't know what these are, so get to unboxing this stuff, and I'll actually show you what's in these boxes because you guys aren't going to care about the cutter. You're going to care about the HP 115. So let me get this stuff out of the box and I'll let you know what's in them. All right, so this is what's in all the boxes. There's this stuff. Those are two the long reels that you put the actual vinyl on, and then there's these pieces. And I'm hoping that's everything for the base, but I feel like I'm missing stuff, but maybe not. And then that's some trash. That's the instructions to put it in. That's some trash. And then we got tons of trash you can see down there. Then the other box has all these plugs. These are the ones that I'm going to use because I'm in the US. And then this is the maintenance cartridge. Then this is just the little oils and interpinch wheel and just a bunch of other stuff that I will learn about when I do this, which is the only for customer installation. You get an extra total of 1 year warranty. So I'm gonna have to do this. We got print heads, we got ink. This came in its own separate box. This one says open me first, so this is something that I'm gonna have to read. And then this is like a little bag, and it had these edge holders in it. That was all that was in that big ass box. Got some more instructions. I'm going to try and get this base assembled. It is 3:45, so Brad should be here in an hour. I think I can get this done in an hour. And then Marshall and Eric, John, yeah, all those guys will show up afterwards. Didn't show you, I got a heater / air conditioner. It's just kind of in there temporarily. I gotta wrap the outside of it white because it can't be black. So it's just kind of taped in there for the moment, and it will get taped in, I think, or I'm gonna just put a stick in the door so it's like wedged all the way in there. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Let's just wedge it in there. This place is just getting messier and messier, but I gotta get this together as soon as possible, so I'm not gonna record it, but let's just do this. That is the stand. It is not 100% complete because I gotta put the printer on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to kind of bag up the little pieces because I still have probably about an hour before the boys are here to bring it upstairs. Just gonna kind of pick up. If I have enough time, I'm gonna move this over here so then this can just roll right into the place where it needs to go. But if not, I'll do that later. Just right now, I'm gonna get everything kind of picked up. Oh, please. As you can see, a lot has happened in between the last time that we talked. So we got our plotter over here, we got our printer right here, and something has actually printed. So right now I am connecting everything, updating everything. cutting anything because it's not deep enough. I don't think. Oh no, it is. I think. Let's check. It's for sure cutting it. I'm not sure if it's going to cut deep enough, but we will find out. It's just doing all the cuts around each part. And then after all that, it'll go through and it'll actually cut everything. So the one thing I did notice is this is not very vibrant. I think that's just something to do with how my settings are. So like these aren't vibrant. So first print, I mean, we'll see what happens, see what we can get, see how we can make things more vibrant. This is just a JPEG, so I think that's the reason why. That's just a JPEG. These are just PDF. That's a JPEG. This is a Photoshop file. These are Illustrator files. So just got to figure out what works best. I showed you in that clip that I was changing out lights. So let me show you that first. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Yeah, buddy. It's funny because it's super bright, but you can't even tell how bright it is right now because it's actually sunny for a moment outside. It's starting to dim down, but so the big reason I did this is because I needed good lighting in here so I can film stuff for you guys and so I can work. The fan light that was up there, I could have gotten brighter lights, but it just doesn't spread light very well. And then the spotlight thing worked for maybe the desk, but I got this little light that works for that. So as you can see, all this is just sitting here. I have actually printed some things. Let me grab a stack of these and I will show you. These are all like kind of failed ones, but I got good ones. They're just downstairs. But if you look, got all these. So I was trying to figure out, you know, the cut so it would actually cut all the way through the perf cut, and then the blade actually was loose on this. It wasn't, so this part was actually not fixed in, so I had to tighten here, and so it ruined a whole bunch of cuts, which is, as you can see in these, zoom in. But I wanted to see how small it would print, and guys, look at this. Are pretty rad, so you could scan it and go to the website. Oh, sorry for the yawn. But yeah, I have actually successfully printed some good stuff. I'll get into that later. But today, I'm going to clean up the rest of this. I'm moving the TV up and over because the laminator is going to go right there, and this is going to go over there. But if you notice, everything's on wheels. That looks a little ghetto, I know, but I had to do it like that because otherwise it would do that. So I got to fix that one, which is annoying. All right, it's been a pretty long video as it is. It's been a whole bunch of days compiled into one. I know it is June now, and this is a bit behind. The last clip was in the beginning of March, after I got everything set up, but I will get you guys some more content on this very shortly. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll show you guys an update of everything really soon. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.